Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Sheldon and this is Behind the Enthusiast. Today we are almost done those 2025 models, and today we're going to be talking about the Nightster and Nightster Special. Now the base model is $12,499 and you get the upgraded special model $14,999. Now the one thing that is really noticeable here is the new feature of blacking out the bike. All the features are blacked out on the bike now, which looks really, really good. We also have a rotor and stator upgrade. I wasn't aware of that one initially. However, I was double checking my notes and yeah, we got a rotor and stator upgrade. I didn't even realize that. Now, for the black trim on the Nightster, we're gonna be starting off with Billiard Gray. Looks really, really good. And now keep in mind, this model wasn't necessarily well received in the beginning. A lot of people were hesitant to buy this model. However, if you guys need any convincing, the bike is selling a lot better now. And well, if you're not convinced that other people are interested in buying them, slap an SNS exhaust on it, a slip-on. I know I don't normally say stuff like this in a Harley video of, putting aftermarket items on them, but if you want the bike to sound really, really good, SNS, slip-on exhaust, sounds amazing. So if you're thinking about buying one of these, Google that, find a sound clip, and you'll know exactly why I recommend you do that. Now, Vivid Black for an additional $625 might seem a little expensive considering we are strictly painting an airbox cover because the gas tank is not there, it's underneath the seat. Whiskey Fire, an additional $1,000. Again, the pricing is a little bit questionable. So I think, not that against Harley here, but I think the prices need to get revisited for the color options because you're not really painting a whole lot on the bike. We're not matching the fenders or anything either. So very questionable pricing, just saying. Now, there is also a chrome option. This is the exhaust shield, and then the rims are different. And this is going to be on the Snake Venom color option for an additional $1,200. Now, this one actually makes sense to me because you're getting a custom color, Snake Venom, for an additional $1,200. You're getting chrome exhaust shield and different rims, which are from the special, so you're taking those rims as well. And not only that, but for $1,200, you're getting paint matched fenders, front and rear. So out of all the color options, if you don't like Billiard Gray, definitely pick up Vivid Black. However, if you really want a spicy color, Snake Venom is really the way to go. I wouldn't even look at Whiskey Fire for $1,000. I'd pay the extra $200 and get the other one. That's just what I would do. Now, for the Nightster Special, which is going to be including a black trim as well, no chrome option on this, we have Billiard Gray. So again, base model color, nothing wrong with that. We do get a different tank badge, by the way, which I personally really, really like. We also get black denim for an additional $750. I'm not entirely sure why we're paying more money for that one, because the next two color options, you don't pay any extra for them, which I find kind of weird. But hey, I'm not going to argue with free paint options. So the first of those two is Whiskey Fire. This one looks pretty good when it doesn't cost any extra money, that's for sure. And of course, Blue Burst, my favorite color. And again, you don't have to twist my arm if you're going to give it to me for free. $0. Yes, you heard that right. So unless the website is wrong, which I don't think it is, the special is definitely the one to go with. I mean, you are spending a little bit more money, spending about $2,500 more, if my math is done correctly. You're getting different rims. You are getting a passenger pillion on it. You're also getting that front nacelle, if you will. I think is what you'd classify that as, or a bug screen. Some people call it that, but it doesn't sound as cool. So obviously there are a few add-ons, and I would say that it's definitely worth it, especially, you know, with the paint options being free, you know, the Whiskey Fire and Blue Burst. You know, with the base model, you're paying extra for colors. However, with the special, you're not paying any extra money. And I think that's because the paint options are probably mixed in with the overall price. So overall, it sounds like a better deal. But I'm not looking to buy one. Maybe you are. You leave the comments down below for me, and we'll talk about it. Now, if you guys like this video, make sure to smash the like button so I know that it's working. If you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe. Really helps me out. And that is it for this one. Let me know what your thoughts are on it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.